Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 24th of June 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.04%, settling the day at 39,150.33 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,693.38, falling 0.16%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,689.99 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,911.34. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 23,448, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 1,790.19 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. India's FX reserves saw a notable decrease of $2.92 billion to reach $652.9 billion, according to data from the RBI. This followed a significant increase of $24.3 billion in the previous week. Bharat Petroleum partners with Bounce Infinity to launch e-drive stores. Bajaj Auto looks to sustain domestic biz momentum, recover export volumes. Now talking about global aspects, German economy minister says EU open for talks on China tariffs. S&P Global Manufacturing PMI rose to 51.7 in the same period from 51.3, while the services PMI rose to 55.1 from 54.8. WTI traded 0.7% lower to settle at around $80.73 a barrel, while Brent fell 0.7% to $85.24 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 105.50. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.25%. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices began the day on a positive note, buoyed by the performance of IT stocks. This UPTICK followed an optimistic revenue growth forecast from major US IT companies, which surpassed market expectations. Sensex and Nifty trimmed their advances despite the initial gains, closing the day with minor losses at 77,209.90 and 23,501.10, respectively. Outlook for the day. In the Nifty index, consolidation persisted for last week, culminating in a weekly close with a minor gain of 35.50 points. Daily chart analysis indicates that Nifty has been consolidating within a broad range of 23,400 to 23,700, and this trend is likely to continue. There are no significant triggers for aggressive buying or selling at present. Despite this consolidation phase, the market's undertone remains bullish, suggesting that buying on dips will lend resilience to the market. However, strong upward movements are expected to attract profit booking, making a sustained rally challenging. Bank Nifty continued its bullish continuation, closing the session above the critical 51,500 level, where substantial call-side open interest has accumulated. To confirm an upward trend towards the 53,000 level, the index must decisively break the 52,200 mark. Support is firmly established in the 50,500 to 49,900 zone, and a break below this range could trigger further downside movement towards 49,000. Stocks on radar are Granules, SAIL, LTTS, Airtel, Coforge, GMR Infra. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.